What's up, everybody? This is Caesar Beavers, and today I'm going to show you the penny table that I created. You know, I can't believe the bank even let me get this many pennies. It's roughly about $50 worth of pennies. It's a bunch of pennies, man. I used anywhere from 4,700 to 5,000 pennies. And I realized, so I was going back and forth at the store, buying stuff that I thought I needed, that I didn't need. I realized the best way to glue the pennies down is to get like a caulk gun. And they make Gorilla Glue tubes that you can put in. And you just create you one line, and you create another line, and you kind of offset it a little bit. You know, because the penny table, the pennies aren't going to be exact flush to the edge, you know, but if you offset it, you can account for that, you know what I mean? So there's not just a big gap, it kind of has some kind of organization. Now you see, when you're laying these pennies down too, I noticed that you're adjusting like the first and second row behind you at times. And the best way to apply the glue is to lay a dot down. If you try to do a line, it'll get messy. And you might have glue that raises above the penny, and that's not good, especially when you're trying to apply your epoxy. This is a very long process. Like I said, it took me about 19 hours to glue it all. I think it's roughly 6 square feet. Pennies covered. And I also recommend wearing gloves. I didn't wear gloves for a lot of these pennies. And my hands, after a while, of course they were dirty, real dirty. But it even felt weird. Like my hands started feeling very odd. I guess touching that copper and all that stuff. After a while, it just kind of made it to where they started to go numb. Very strange. And one thing I did with this, as you see, I painted it orange. It looks really cool. So this task is definitely for somebody with passions. I can't imagine people doing all penny floors, you know, it's many square feet. And this little table took 19 hours. But just stay at it, you know. Me personally, I spread the glue of the pennies out. It's like when you go to the bank and you get a bunch of pennies, you're going to get all kinds of pennies. You got Canadian pennies. I got like a Bahamas penny. But I bought some steel pennies. In 1943, they made all pennies out of steel to save copper. And I just thought it'd be cool to spread those out here. You know. Now you see, I got an L-shaped table right here. And what I did was I stopped where the L-shaped part, meets. And then I started again right there. You might want to lay you a couple of rows there just to see where the pennies are going to start again, so you don't have them too far away. don't hold it too long or too close, the heat will pop the bubbles. And once you get your first coat on, wait about an hour, and you can put your second coat on. You'll see that there's a bunch of drips. What we did was we put tape up under the table. So most of those drips actually go on the tape, and you can pull the tape straight off. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below. I appreciate everybody tuning in, and make sure you hit subscribe. Everybody have a blessed day.